If x is 1/2 of y and y is 2/3 of z, what is x over y? Okay? So, x is 1/2 of y. So, gawan natin ang equation. X, ang ibig sabihin lang nitong is equal sign. X is equal sign yon 1/2 of y. So, 1/2 of, ibig sabihin ng of ay multiplication. So, x equals 1/2 of y, that is 1/2 times y. Okay, so simplify lang natin, 1/2 times y equal lang yan sa, same lang yan sa x equals 1/2 times y or y over 2. Okay? And then next, we have y is 2/3 of z. So, ang value daw ni y is equal sign ulit yon, and then we have 2/3. So, just copy 2/3. Ibig sabihin ng of, multiplication ulit yan. So, yung is ay equal sign, of ay multiplication. So, times z. So, i-simplify lang natin, y is equal to 2/3 of z. So, we have 2z divided by 3. So, yung tinatanong dito, what is x over y? So, what is x over y? So, i-divide lang natin. So, ito yung x, tapos ito yung y. Divide lang natin x over y. So, that is equal to, or pwede na rin natin isulat ito dahil fraction, baka malito, gawin natin x divided by y. So, ganitong form. So, what is x over y? Same yan sa x divided by y. So, ano yung value ng x? So, x is y over 2. I-divide lang natin dito sa y, ang value naman ni y ay 2z over 3. Okay? And then, i-apply natin, paano ba tayo nagdi-divide ng fraction? So, di ba pag nagdi-divide ng fraction, ang technique natin ay KCF. K for keep, C for change. Change natin from division to multiplication, and then F for flip. Flip, find the reciprocal. Pagbalik rin lang natin ito. So, i-apply lang natin yung technique na yan. Keep, y over 2. Change the division symbol to multiplication. And then, 2z over 3, flip natin. Balik rin. So, we have 3 over yung 2z sa baba. Then, apply the rule in multiplication of fractions. Multiply the numerator, then multiply the denominator. Pwede mag-cancellation kung may maka-cancel. So, wala namang maka-cancel dito. Y and 3, walang maka-cancel sa denominator na 2, 2, and z. So, i-multiply na lang natin. Therefore, x over y is equal to y times 3, that is 3y. And then, multiply these 2 times 2z is equal to 4z. So, therefore, the correct answer is 3y over 4z, letter B. Okay, so kung meron kayong math question, i-comment nyo lang dito or i-PM nyo ako sa aking messenger, RJ Enseñado. Bye-bye!